Woodrose Woodworking is a millwork firm that does architectural millwork in the Lower Mainland. We've done work as far as California and Hawaii.
Woodrose specializes in custom architectural millwork, cabinetry, wall paneling, basically any high-end project or production project in the city, as well as international projects of the same magnitude. Through our investment in software and machinery, we've been able to expand our footprint within the industry, taking on more complicated and detailed projects while maintaining a very competitive budget and top-notch quality.
We're able to turn around millwork quickly due to our cutting-edge technology, which streamlines our process.
The software we use is AutoCAD, and we also use an add-on module called Microvellum. It integrates well with construction and how we build our products.
Being a fully equipped millwork shop means that we have CNCs, veneer department, delivery, installation services to better provide service to our clients. From start to finish, we're able to do everything in-house, which is a tremendous asset towards the end product.
At Woodrose, we take pride in what we're doing and to deliver on time a good quality product. We pay attention to the details at any stage in the shop, in the process, to deliver the best product and the best quality to any client.
The CNC equipment that we have allows us to produce at an extraordinary rate, as well as ensuring that our tolerances are well within what they need to be to ensure that the quality products are put in on time and on budget. Through our veneer department, we're able to produce at an extraordinary rate. We're able to sequence match, we're able to book match, we're able to lay out rooms while controlling the schedule in-house without having to wait on other vendors to get our product in. We're able to start right away for any fast-track products.
The millwork we do meets OMAC standards. We're an OMAC member. All the millwork we do is of the highest quality. We ensure that the materials that we use are high quality. Our suppliers that we use are some of the best suppliers in the Lower Mainland as well.
Through the years, we've been growing exponentially to the point where there's no project out of reach anymore. There's no material out of reach, and that's a good feeling for us. We're able to get ourselves mobilized in such a way that we can produce what many shops are unable to.